Hello there. We will know about collections today. What are collections in Shopify? How to manage collections from your marketplace? How to add collections from your marketplace? How to sync existing collections from Shopify to marketplace? What are multi-level collections and how to use them? What is collection? A collection is a bunch of products that are related to each other. For instance, a pant, a jeans, and a cargo can be included in a bottom collections. How many collections are there in Shopify? There are two type of collections on Shopify: manual and automated. Manual collections, as its name suggests, we need to add the product manually to the collections. And in automated collections, the products are added to the collections automatically based on some conditions that you will define here. Suppose product tag is equals to home. We've added this condition. Now all the products which has this tag will be added to this collections automatically. Now let's see how these collections are managed in marketplace. When you add a product, you will get an option to add collections exactly like Shopify. You will get, by default, you will get all the collections from Shopify here. All the collections that are available on Shopify, you will get a list of all the collections here. But this might not be the case for every merchant. Merchants might not want to show all the collections that are available on Shopify to the marketplace sellers. And maybe they want to define a list of collections that they want to show to the sellers, and they want sellers to add their product to. So to restrict collections, we firstly need to restrict the collections, and we have a setting for that. Let's go to restriction configurations from here. Enable restrict collection. We have sub settings here. Collection commission setting. I will attach a link of commission guide in the description. You can refer to that, and you will know about the setting from there. Use multi-level collections at product pages. Let's disable it for now. We will cover this later in the video. Now we've restricted collections, so we can go to collections. We can add collections from here. You can add collections from here. Suppose home, save changes. Home is added to the collection, and the same collections will be created here on Shopify. Home. Now, how to sync all the collections that are existing on your Shopify end to marketplace list. I've already synced all the collections, but you can simply click on sync button, and all the collections from Shopify will be synced to marketplace and will be listed here. This list will only have manual collections. The automated collections will show here in this page. We have restricted this as of now. We have restricted the smart collection from visibility. Let's disable this. And now check the smart collections that we have available. We have these two smart collections available on Shopify, which are synced to marketplace and which are available here. So seller can look at the conditions here and add the products accordingly. Now, what are multi-level collections? We have a setting of multi-level collections in restriction configurations. We will firstly enable it. Basically, multi-level collections are collections that are added in the parent-child concept, basically in the hierarchical concept of parent and child. For instance, a men collection can be a parent of men's bottom and men's tops. Men's bottom can be a parent collection of men's jeans and men's shorts. So we can create multi-level collections like that in marketplace. And how we can create multi-level collections, how we can define parents of collections, we will see. So we have men collections and we have men bottoms, we have men jeans. So men jeans can be included in men. So men can be men collections can be a parent for men jeans collection. So we will save the changes here. Go to collections. Women jeans can be child for women collection. Women top can be child of women collections as well. Men top can be child of men collection. Now let's see how it shows on the product form. See, the collections here that we've added in parent and child are now visible in the hierarchical form. The men collection is parent for both men jeans and men top. So if any product is added in the child, it will be automatically added to their parent as well. Okay. So this was all related to the collections. In case you have any query, you can reach us on support@webkul.com. And stay tuned for all the videos that are coming on the channel.